welcome back to our cooking channel, Cooking with Mommy and Me. My name is Caroline, this is my beautiful daughter.
Lila.
And today we'll be cooking
Tostasdas de tinga.
Come follow us and we'll show you the ingredients we need.
We need chorizo, 1 whole chicken breast, chipotle, chiles, tomato sauce, onion, tomato, garlic, oregano, pepper, salt, Knorr.
A special secret ingredient, sugar.
And to serve, we need tostadas, crema, queso, and avocado.
Okay, we're going to start out by cooking our chicken.
We like to puncture the chicken with a fork because people say it gives it more flavor. Kids, make sure to have parent supervision when using fire or boiling things because you may get burned.
Okay, to flavor the water, we've added Knorr, salt, pepper, oregano, garlic, clove, onion, and we cook it for about 20-25 minutes or until soft. Okay, we're going to start doing our chipotle sauce. We're going to start off with adding in the garlic clove that we use to boil the chicken. We're going to add chipotle. Chipotle is your personal taste and spicy. We're going to do it kids friendly, so we're only going to add 4. You can go ahead and add the whole can if you want. That's your choice, as I mentioned. Okay. Then we're going to go ahead and add our tomato. And we're going to go ahead and add our tomato sauce. I like to rinse it with the chicken broth that we have from earlier. So I'm going to go ahead and help my daughter out here. You dump it, you kind of move it around. Okay, you're going to go ahead and add a pinch of Knorr to your personal taste. Okay, then you go ahead and add about a teaspoonful of sugar to blend, balance out the spiciness. Then you're going to go ahead and start blending.
Know you've been a good friend, and that thing that's thick and thin, and I know it's never gonna end, 'cause you've been a good friend.
Okay guys, so we're going to start preparing our tinga. What we're going to do first, we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of oil, and we're going to start sauteing our onion. Okay, start dumping it in there. You want to hear that little sizzling. And you're going to start sauteing it. Okay guys, so once the onion starts changing color, you're going to go ahead and start adding in your chorizo. And you're going to start cooking your chorizo. Okay, so once the chorizo has cooked, you're going to go ahead and start adding your chicken. And you're going to go ahead and give it a quick stir to mix it in with the onion and the chorizo. Okay, so once you've already added on your chicken and you've already blended, you're going to go ahead and add in your chipotle sauce. Be careful, Lala. Okay, then you're going to grab a little bit of your chicken broth and you're going to go ahead and rinse off your blender. Remember everybody that we've already previously flavored our chicken broth, so you want to take it easy on the salt and keep adding it if you feel like it's going to need more. Once you've already added your chipotle sauce, you're going to go ahead and mix it in, and you're going to let it come to a boil. Once it starts boiling, you're going to go ahead and leave it there for about 10-15 minutes, and the favorite part for us will be the
taste test.
Okay guys, it is our favorite. It is the
Taste test.
Go ahead and try it, Mama. Okay, we would like to dedicate this video to our dear friend, Carla Rivera, who has requested for us to do a tinga video.
Hope you guys enjoyed our recipe. Give a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye guys.